So were you scared today during the blizzard, Mom?
No,
Not at all?
no.
I was frightened.
You were what?
Frightened.
Why were you frightened? Afraid you'd run out of beer?
I thought everything was going to happen at the same time.
What's that?
Everything.
And you weren't scared at all? Why not?
Because Bubba was scared, and I figured that two of us needed to be scared.
So you were brave because
She
Bubba was
being
scared.
brave because I was double scared.
Alright, well we're all safe now and we can eat some fish out of the pond.
Yes.
How are you going to cook that?
I will fillet them and fry them.
Mmm, goldfish.
And sear them in some lemon sauce.